In the silence before chaos, the earth trembles with anticipation yet again. Once a realm of lush life, now reduced to ashes and forgotten dreams. From despair's depths, a flicker of hope ignites, refusing to fade away. Embrace the fire, the catalyst of rebirth, as cycles end and begin anew. The phoenix emerges, its luminous wings spreading wide, defiantly reclaiming the sky. Born anew, the phoenix soars above chaos, each beat a testament to resilience. Could the ashes of yesterday conceal seeds for tomorrow's vibrant growth? Unfettered by the past, the creature dances with the winds of change. Strengthened by trials, each feather bears a story of courage and revival. Renewal anchors its roots deeply, anchoring hope in a tapestry of rebirth.